Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's almost Halloween, so we are going to be making some Halloween themed treats. This episode is going to be chocolate cupcakes with a Halloween twist. So join us as we have some fun. Let's get baking. First thing we're going to do is sift 1 1/3 cup of flour with 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Into that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. In a new bowl we're going to put in 1 1/2 cups of sugar and add 3 tablespoons of butter to that. We're going to whisk that together as messily as we can and then add 2 eggs one at a time and whisk each egg in before adding another. Now we're going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're going to alternate your flour mixture with 1 cup of milk. You're going to start with flour, add a dash of milk, add a dash of flour, so on and so forth. Make sure to start and end with your flour. Now we're going to place our cupcake holders in our little cupcake tin. You don't need to spray it down with anything, just put the liners in and then fill them up. I'm using a large serving spoon to dish it out, and I'm using like 1 1/2 scoops, and you're going to fill all of the cups up 3/4 of the way. And now you're going to bake these at 350 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes. For our icing, we're going to use 1/2 stick of butter and 3 1/2 to 5 cups of powdered sugar, however sweet you want it. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix this up, and then add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Next, you're going to add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and it depends on how you want your consistency, so if you like it thicker, you'll use less milk. If you like it looser, you'll use more. And I actually did not have enough icing for the cupcakes to ice them the way I wanted, so I would suggest doubling this recipe. So here's the final product. We decorated it with some red and white and black sprinkles, and they have like little knives and tombstones in them. And we made some chocolate icing to go with it, and then we have these just attachments. It's just like a plastic stick with a knife sticker. But I will try one of these. Let me just unfold it. That's really good. It's a great chocolate cupcake recipe, and the sprinkles are really fun. And I just got these sprinkles at Walmart, but yeah, they're really fun. And just the cupcakes themselves, and just the toppings, these things, and maybe just red sprinkles, that'd be more than enough for like a Halloween themed party. I think this was awesome, and that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Boo! YouTube, let me say murder.
Fast.
Spoopy scary skeletons.
Ah!
Copyrighted song. Spoopy scary skeletons.
I am a failure, Benjamin. I don't know how to bake. Hi guys. No, that's the wrong intro.
What the heck was that? Oh!
I was like, wow, wow. It's like I'm chewing my own teeth. Have a spoopy week.